Hello, scholars. Are we ready to do just a little bit of science? Okay. Today, I'm going to do a little video with the small science experiment. And because it is an experiment, if you have these items in your home and you would like to participate with me, remember this is not a live video, so you can always pause and rewind at any time that you like. But you must make sure that you ask an adult for permission first. So the materials that we're going to need are a clean potato, mine's still a little wet, a clean potato, and a straw. Now I have two. I have a wider straw, which means it has a wider opening in it, and then I also have a bendy straw. If you happen to have a bendy straw, what I'm going to suggest is that you cut off the bendy part. So I cut off the part that had the bendy. Makes my straw a little shorter, but that's okay. It'll still work with this. So if you feel like you have those materials in your home right now, go ask an adult if you can follow along with me. I'll wait. I think that's enough time. Remember that you can always go back and review this video if you change your mind. Now, one thing, my potato was a little wet because I did wash it first. If you wash the potato first and make sure that your straws are new and even washed, it doesn't hurt to give them a rinse as well, then you'll be able to actually reuse this potato in a different way, okay? So, how many of you all have ever thought about if a straw can penetrate or go through a potato? Most of us probably don't think of something like that, right? I know normally I don't think of it, but this is a pretty cool experiment, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my straw, this one, and see if I can get one to penetrate or go through my potato, okay? So if I have my potato here, straw here. In fact, I'm not doing anything but bending this big one. Maybe it's too big. Let's try this one. It's not going through at all. My straw is still separated from my potato. But I think Miss Thurman may know a little bit of magic, or maybe it's just science. Let's see what happens if I hold my straw a different way instead of stabbing at it, okay? See what happens if I hold my straw. Oh, look at what happens. My straw penetrated my potato. Let's see if the same thing will take place with this one. Oh, it almost went all the way through with that one. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to cut these big ends off for two reasons. Reason number one, I don't want to poke myself in the eye. Reason number two, I can still use these straw pieces. So let's try it one more time. That one's in. Oop, that one kind of cut into the other one, but it still went inside of my potato, okay? Did you see it fly up? Look at my potato now. Has the straws have all penetrated in there. There's no glue. Didn't use any tape. Only thing I used was the force in my hands and the straw. So where's the science? How does something like this work? Well, I'll tell you. Before we were using the straw and we were, pull one of these out, we're kind of stabbing at it. And it's not going to do anything but bend your straw. But if you take the straw and you take your finger, you put it over the top like this, either your index finger or your thumb over the top, what you do is that you cause the straw to become stronger because you're trapping air on the inside of the straw, making the straw so strong that it is said it could cut silk. Now, I've never tried to cut silk with a straw before, but I believe the scientists. So when we do that, we trap that air. Those air molecules become compact, making the straw appear much harder than what it actually is, and it can actually go through something, much harder than itself. So if you have an adult supervision, adult permission to actually help you with this, don't hesitate to give it a try. And then when you're all done, if we've cleaned all of our materials and had our hands cleaned, of course, we can take those straws out, give it one more wash, have an adult peel this potato, cut this potato, slice this potato. Hey, make potato chips, make French fries. Have fun, guys. Love you.